Hi everyone, Lyndon here, and I'm super stoked to finally announce the competition bike that you've all been waiting for. Here it is, the final 732cc factory rally adventure bike to leave Lyndon Poskitt Racing, but it's not going to a customer, it's going in a competition that you can win. So all you need to do is follow the links in the description below, enter the competition, buy a ticket, answer the question correctly to be put forward in a draw that will be happening at the ABR Festival in June this year. So it will be drawn live at the ABR Festival and the winner will be announced there and then and contacted who's going to win this very bike. So there is a second place and 3 third places also. So read all the description in the links below and you will find all the information about the competition. I wanted to do this because I wanted to make one of these special builds available to those that possibly were not able to buy one, because not everyone is in a situation where they can afford to buy one of these, but we can afford all stretch to a ticket for one of these. So get yourself in the draw, you've got to be in it to win it, and I can't wait to see who is going to win this really special build. And not only that, I wanted to do something cool for charity, so I've decided that 50% of the profits from this raffle will go to charities close to my heart and things that I saw needed an input, needed contribution when I travelled around the world. So those in need, and I'm going to slowly over the next 3 months up until the draw, I'm going to announce where a percentage of the money will go from that 50% profit, and the other 50% will be put directly back into Races to Places projects, because I have some really unique projects that I would love to do, but they require significant budget. So 50% is going for charity, 50% will go into future projects which will create cool motorcycle adventure content, and I can't wait to share those projects with you as well. I want to thank you all in advance for buying your tickets and getting involved. Share it far and wide with all your friends, and let's hope that it's a great success for charities, future projects, and of course for the winners of this competition. Thank you everybody, enjoy it and go get your tickets. Cheers.